Hi guys, in this video we're gonna do this look inspired by Kangana Ranaut, and this is the final look that I recreated. She wore this look in Mumbai at a film screening event for her recent movie Manikarnika. So we're gonna be recreating this look today, and if you're interested, please keep on watching. First, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows using this dark brown eyeliner pencil. You might not be able to tell the difference since I have very dark natural eyebrows. Next, I'm going to prime my eyelids using this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer and blend them with my fingers. Next, I'm going to use this Covergirl Peach Punch Palette, and I'm going to use this light brown shade as my transition shade, and I'm using a blending brush and putting that in my crease area. Next, I'm going to use this dark brown shade from the same palette to deepen up my crease, and I'm using the same blending brush. Next, I'm going to use this NYX Trio palette, and using any random brush, I'm going to put this dark brown shade in my outer V, and I'm just going to pack the color in my outer V area. And then using the same blending brush, I will blend my outer V area and bringing that color into my crease also. Next, using the same palette, I'm going to use this shimmery champagne color and putting that in my inner third of my eyelid using a flat shader brush. Next, I'm going to line my eyes using this L'Oreal Intense Liquid Eyeliner. So here my right eye is done, and I'm going to do my left eye off camera, and here I'm back with both the eyes done. Next, I'm going to color correct the areas under my eyes and the areas around my mouth, and I think I'm using the color corrector from Kryolan, but any color corrector about a couple shades darker than your skin tone will do. And next, I'm going to directly dab over the foundation on the areas that I color corrected and rest of my face. And for the foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I'm in shade 206. And then I'm going to blend everything away with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to brighten up the center of my face using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I am in shade 25. And then I'm going to blend everything away with a damp beauty blender. Now, using this Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Contour product, I am going to contour the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, my forehead, and my nose, and then going to blend everything away with a damp beauty sponge. Then using this e.l.f. HD translucent powder, I'm going to bake my under eye area, lower cheeks, my chin area, and center of my forehead. And I'm only going to bake for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then going to dust everything off after a couple of minutes. Next, I'm going to use this blush from Essence, and it's in shade Coral Dream, and I'm going to put it on my cheekbones and my temples. Next, I'm going to highlight the high points of my face, and I'm using Wet n Wild illuminating palette, and I mixed in all the 4 colors together, and I'm going to put this on my cheekbones, at the temples, center of my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. Then using the same Covergirl palette, I'm picking up the lightest shade from the palette and putting it on my brow bone area and my tear duct area, and this shade does have a bit of a shimmer to it. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and put a coat of mascara on and prepare them for fake lashes. And for the fake lashes, I will use Ardell's lashes in Natural. And here I'm back with the fake lashes on. Next, I'm going to line my lips using Annabelle's lip liner, and it's in shade 300 Spice, and I'm going to lightly fill in my lips using the same lip liner. And then I will use Maybelline Superstay 24 color lipstick, and it's going to be in a shade 060. And then for a bit of a shine, I am going to use Wet n Wild lip gloss, and it's in shade 555B Rose Gold. Now for some final touches, I'm going to take the same light brown shade from the Covergirl palette and using that to smoke out my lower lash line. And then I'm going to set everything in place using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And here I changed into my outfit. I popped on some earrings, tied my hair at the back, and I also used a blue bindi. And this, you guys, completes the whole look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please let me know in the comments box below. I hope to see you guys really soon. Take care till then. Bye bye.